if you do 9 months of SGA work, then it will trigger that your benefits will cease. And then there's some okay, you may have to help me on this one. So after the TWP and you've successfully done that, you can still come back on disability if you're no longer able to engage in SGA. So there are a lot
Yes.
of rules, which again, this is why having an attorney will help you to navigate going back to work and is this the best decision for you?
Yeah, I mean, you have sort of a number of issues. There's some programs. You have your trial work period when they look at work for services, which is a little bit misleading because there's a number called work for services, which is a little bit lower than SGA. You're right. If you had 9 months of SGA, the next month you lose your benefit. SGA is substantial gainful activity. That's the minimum amount you can make and still be on disability. But in your return to work, they actually have a number called work for services. And so if you're overworked for services for 9 months and then you hit SGA, you lose your benefits. But the thing to understand is there is the ability to try to work without necessarily losing your benefits. And then if you go back to work and you're successful in returning to work, but then you are unable to maintain the work because of your impairments, you're able to have a re-entitlement period where you're able to actually come back onto disability without having to go through the process again.